In this tutorial, I'll show you how to select edge rings to create this render image. Let's try to select the face loops the way the final render object had. In edit mode, type 3 to face select, and Alt select an edge like this to select a face loop. Alt, Shift select to select every second face loops. That was easy, but what if we had 300 every other face loops to select? In order to do this easily, we must type 2 and work in edge select mode. Shift select the next edge, and press Ctrl, Shift, and numpad plus to select every other edges like this continuously. Alt and Shift select two edge loops like this, and make them all select edge rings like this. That's how we select every other face loops. I'll extrude inward, and extrude along normals to create a new material regions and apply two different materials for both selections. We can preview the glow in Eevee, but I'll render the final scene in cycles. Shift D to duplicate. Type R twice to rotate. Here are the composite node settings. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.